Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. Squarespace is one of the best website builders around, and you can get started for completely free. The first thing you will need to do is create an account, and you can do that using your email address. After you have created your account, I want you to tap on Get Started. Once you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be redirected to the theme or template page as you can see right here. But I don't like the templates that they tend to offer for a landing page. As you know, a landing page is a one-page website. And if we were to tap on one page, you can see the landing page or the template that they offer right there. So what I recommend you do when creating a landing page using Squarespace is tap on Build Your Own Template. After selecting Build Your Own Template, you're going to tap on Let's Go. After tapping on Let's Go, you can see Setting Things Up. And from here, you'll be able to set up your landing page to your liking, meaning you'll be able to add each section. So you can see it is loading up. Once it loads up, you'll be able to add in your website title. So I will call it Test Landing. Then I'm going to tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Next, you'll be redirected to your home page, and from here you'll be able to configure your home page. So the first thing we'll be doing is adding the introduction section. So you can see it right there. After you have added the introduction section, you can scroll down and you can see products section. So you can tap right there and you can select which outline you would like to use. So for example, let's say this one. I like how this one looks. And you can see a preview of how it looks on the left hand corner. You can also scroll down, and if you plan on selling services, you can select the services section. So for example, let's say you are selling services and you want to set up the different prices. So we'll be using 3 different price marks. So you can see them right there. If it is a case that you also plan on offering appointments, you can select appointments right there. It all depends on the purpose you're creating your landing page for. If it is a case that you're selling digital products, you could tap on digital products section. Then from here, you can select the products that you would like to sell. You can also tap on About section, and from there, you can add your About section. For example, I will be adding this option right here. After doing that, you're going to scroll down, and if you'd like to display your social feed, you can do that. If you'd like to add a forms section, you can also do that. Once you are finished, you'll tap on Next once more in the bottom right hand corner. So you can see the About section right there, and we have a contact page. And as I said, if it is a case that you want to sell digital or physical products, you could tap on Shop. Then from there, you can see the shop page has been added. If you are planning to sell services or appointments, you can tap on any one of these options. Then you are going to tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Next, you can tap on the color scheme that you would like to use. After tapping on the color scheme, you'll tap on Next once more. Then from here, you can select the font style that you would like to use. I'll leave it as is, and you're going to tap on Finish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Finish, you can see that it is saving our changes. So you'll simply give it a few seconds. Then you can see now your template is being prepared. We'll simply tap on Continue right here. By selecting Continue, you agree to the content generation terms. So you can tap on that. After you have tapped on Continue, from here you could add some details if you want, and you can also add a writing style. If you'd prefer to do it by yourself and not use the Squarespace AI, you can simply tap on the X in the top left hand corner, in the top right hand corner better yet. Then from there, you will see changes to your website will not be saved. You can use Squarespace AI to generate more text, and we'll simply tap on Exit. After you have tapped on exit, you'll be redirected to the landing page. Once on the landing page, you'll now be able to add your content yourself if you don't want to use the AI. And to get started editing, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner and you can tap on edit. After selecting edit, you can simply hover over any section that you would like to change. For example, if you would like to edit the header section, you can tap on edit header. Then from there, you can change, for example, the site title, and you can also add a logo if you want. And by scrolling down, you can also edit this section if you want by simply hovering over it. You can tap right there. If you would like to change it, you can tap on edit section in the top right hand corner. You can change the background image. So you could tap on background, then you could choose to add an image or video, or you can change the background color. Also, if it is a case that you'd like to add a text box or a video or audio, anything at all that you'd like to add to the website that you don't see, you can tap on add block from the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can select the element that you would like to add. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. You can add it on any page quite easily. And talking about pages, to view all the pages on your website, you'll simply tap on exit in the top left hand corner. Then from here, we're going to tap on website. After selecting website, you can see the shop page. So you could tap on shop and it will redirect you to the shop page, as you can see right here. Once on the shop page, you can see the different products at the moment. So you can see the sample products that they have added. To add your own product, you'll simply tap on add product from the bottom left hand corner. Then from there, you can select the type of product that you would like to add. Whether it is a physical product, digital product, a service, a membership, a course, anything at all, you'll be able to create it and add it right here. After you have added your product, you'll simply tap on save. Now we'll go back to the pages option, and you can also edit the about page by tapping on about. It will carry you to the about page. And again, you could tap on edit in the top left hand corner right here, and you can edit that page also. You can also view your contact page by tapping on contact. So this is our contact page at the moment. And by scrolling down, if it is a case that you would like to add a pop-up or an announcement bar, you can also do that on Squarespace. All you'll need to do is select website pages. Then from there, you could select promotional pop-up. Keep in mind, to use the pop-up feature or the announcement bar feature on Squarespace, you will need to go onto one of their paid plans. But their paid plans are quite affordable, as it starts off at $16 per month and it offers numerous features. So I would definitely recommend that you would give it a small try, so you can definitely invest it and you can see your conversion will definitely improve, as you'll look a lot more professional, and you'll build customer trust and you'll make more money. You can also add the cookie disclosure by tapping on cookies and visitor data. Then from there, you could toggle on cookie banner, and you can select whether customers can opt in or out, as you can see right here. And you can see it has been added to the bottom of the page. Then we'll tap on save in the top left hand corner. Once you have made all the changes, we'll tap on website in the top left hand corner. And then from here, if you would like to add anything else, all you'll need to do, we could tap on shop again. And if it is a case you'd like to add any other service or so on, you can do that by tapping on the plus. You can see the different services you can add. And after you have gone onto one of their paid plans, you can simply tap on home. Then from there, we can go over to the top right hand corner, and we're going to preview it by tapping on the arrow that says preview. So you can see how our service page looks right here. And if someone were to tap on one of our services or one of our products, they would be redirected to this page. You can select the product style that you like to use, so you can see it right there. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.